Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Tango application on your iOS device. So let's get started right away. First of all, from your iOS device, open up the App Store, and once you open it up, tap on the search box at the top section and then type in Tango and start your search. Once you find the Tango application, tap on it and you will see the Get button. Go ahead and tap on this Get button and it will begin the download and installation of the Tango app on your device right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed. And when it is done, you will see the Open button. Once you see the Open button, just tap on it and it will open up the Tango application on your device. Once you open up the app, you can simply proceed with logging in to your existing account or signing up to create a new one in order to start using the Tango app on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Tango application on your iOS device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.